What if I told you some of the coolest, craziest, and most high-tech gadgets you've ever seen are actually banned from Amazon? Not because they don't work, but because they work too well. So well, they've raised serious safety, legal, and privacy concerns. Today on Tronify Tech, we're diving into controversial gadgets that Amazon had to say goodbye to. Let's start with a device that went from cult favorite to legal red flag in just months. This little pocket-sized multi-tool looks harmless, but it's basically a Swiss Army knife for hackers. Originally designed for ethical security testing, the Flipper Zero can clone RFID cards, emulate NFC signals, hijack remotes, and scan access control systems. But here's the twist. It's also been linked to credit card skimming and wireless signal spoofing. That made it a nightmare for payment security experts. With growing fears about how easily it can be misused, Amazon pulled it off the shelves, despite huge demand and viral TikToks showcasing its cool tricks. It's powerful, no doubt, but also a prime example of how tech can cross the line fast. Spy Finder Pro. Ever feel like you're being watched? The Spy Finder Pro is a compact handheld detector that uses flashing LED strobe lights to reveal hidden cameras, even ones tucked behind mirrors, vents, or fake smoke detectors. It became a go-to device for travelers and Airbnb users concerned about hidden surveillance. While it sounds like the good guy in this story, it stirred up legal tension when people started using it to disrupt legitimate security setups in public and private buildings. Amazon removed many listings after it was flagged for encouraging interference with commercial security operations. Ironically, a gadget meant to detect spies became too disruptive itself. GPS tracker. 4G LTE, this real-time GPS tracker could be attached to a car, backpack, or even slipped into a purse. It gave pinpoint accuracy, geofencing alerts, and route history, all accessible through your phone. Parents loved it for teen drivers. Employers used it for fleet tracking. Sound Amplifier enhanced microphone, originally created for detecting pipeline leaks and machine vibrations. This super-sensitive audio surveillance gadget could pick up faint noises through walls, floors, or even metal surfaces. But it didn't take long for people to figure out it also worked for eavesdropping. You could literally hear conversations happening in the next room, loud and clear. That's where the trouble started. The line between industrial tool and privacy nightmare blurred fast, leading Amazon to step in and restrict the device's sale. Flamethrower kit. This might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it was real and available to buy. This propane weed torch could blast flames at up to 3,400 degrees Fahrenheit with a mind-blowing 700,000 BTU output. While it was technically marketed for clearing ice, weeds, or even starting bonfires, people began modifying and misusing them for dangerous stunts and viral videos. TPX-20 Tactical Pen. This isn't your average writing tool. The TPX-20 is made from tungsten steel with a sharp emergency glass breaker on one end and a hidden DNA collector. It doubles as a rugged self-defense weapon you can carry in your pocket. While survivalists and EDC fans praised its versatility, it was also flagged as a concealed weapon in certain states and countries. Combined with its sleek, everyday look, the pen made it hard for security to detect, which is why Amazon started removing listings that didn't comply with local weapon laws. Modified muffler pipe with LED lights. Car mods are fun, until they get flagged by law enforcement. This LED-enhanced muffler pipe didn't just roar louder, it lit up the road with colorful underglow effects synced to your engine's RPM. TikTokers loved it. Traffic cops, not so much. The gadget was found to violate noise regulations and safety codes in several US states. LED police lights. These looked just like official law enforcement visor lights. Dual strobe bars with flashing red, blue, and white LEDs. Some were magnetic and easily attached to any windshield, instantly giving a car that official vehicle look. While car enthusiasts and emergency volunteers claimed they used them for roadside visibility, others misused them for impersonating police. Reports of drivers pulling people over or bypassing traffic using these lights started surfacing. Law enforcement agencies weren't thrilled, and neither was Amazon. Listings were quickly removed to prevent further abuse. A gadget that lets you play cop? That's a legal disaster waiting to happen. Military-style gas masks. These full-face respirators are straight out of a dystopian movie. With dual filtration, anti-fog lenses, and sealed designs, they're built for chemical, biological, and nuclear protection. Originally meant for industrial workers or survivalists, these masks became popular during health and viral prepper trends. But here's the catch. Many were sold without proper certifications and were manufactured without safety guarantees. Some even came with expired filters. With growing concern over counterfeit safety gear, powerful lasers, 10,000 lumens plus, these aren't your average flashlights. Some of these handheld lasers and LED torches can emit beams over 10,000 lumens, bright enough to temporarily blind or burn paper. While they were marketed for outdoor adventures, survival kits, or astronomy, many users began showing off their power by setting things on fire or pointing them at aircraft. Night vision telescope. This gadget could see in total darkness, using infrared sensors and HD digital zoom. It was a favorite among campers, wildlife observers, and even amateur detectives. The problem? Its power level rivaled law enforcement-grade optics, and that opened up all kinds of legal gray areas. Some users began using them for night surveillance in urban areas, peeking into private properties from long distances. With privacy concerns growing and several countries banning civilian-grade night vision gear, Amazon took action by delisting many of these high-spec models. When you can see in the dark like a military scout, the risks go beyond wildlife photography. Card skimming devices. This one's straight up scary. Card skimmers are illegal in most regions, and for good reason. These small, discrete devices attach to ATMs, gas pumps, or point-of-sale machines and quietly collect credit card data from unsuspecting users. Criminals then clone the data and drain accounts. Some of these devices even came with Bluetooth access, so the thief didn't have to return to collect the data. Amazon quickly banned all known listings related to skimming once reports emerged that such devices were being sold under fake names or mislabeled as RFID tools. This is the kind of gadget that gives tech a bad name. Code grabbers. These gadgets sound like something from a spy thriller, and they kind of are. Code grabbers can intercept and replicate wireless signals, like those from garage door openers or keyless car fobs. Basically, you press your car's unlock button, and someone nearby with this device records the signal, then replays it later to unlock your car. Just like that. It was a hacker's dream, and a car owner's nightmare. CPAP cleaning devices. These devices were designed to disinfect CPAP machines using ozone gas. At first glance, they seemed like a hygienic solution for sleep apnea users, but here's the catch. Ozone can be harmful if inhaled, and many of these machines leaked gas during operation. The FDA issued warnings and customers reported respiratory issues and health complications. Amazon quickly followed suit, removing all ozone-based CPAP cleaners from their platform to protect users. Just because a device cleans doesn't mean it's clean to use. CPAP cleaning devices. After the ozone-based models got banned, many users switched to UV-based CPAP sanitizers. These use ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and viruses inside sleep apnea machines. Sounds safer, right? Well, not exactly. Many of the UV models on Amazon lacked proper shielding and safety certification. Users began reporting issues like eye irritation and exposure to unsafe UV levels during operation. Without FDA approval or lab-verified results, Amazon decided to crack down. Most unverified listings were removed to avoid health risks. When a gadget meant to help you breathe can actually harm your eyes, that's a no-go. Heated blankets. Cozy? Yes. Safe? Not always. Some imported electric blankets were being sold on Amazon without proper safety certifications. No UL listing, no thermal cutoffs, and often with faulty wiring. Customers began reporting overheating, melting fabric, and even small fires. With colder climates pushing sales up, Amazon had to step in. They began removing listings that didn't meet US electrical safety standards. Comfort is great, but not if it comes with the risk of burning your bed down. Novelty magnets. These tiny, powerful neodymium magnets were once a desk toy phenomenon. You could build shapes, fidget with them, or use them as stress relievers. But the fun stopped when children started swallowing them, sometimes more than one, and the magnets clamped together inside the digestive tract, causing serious internal injuries. Emergency surgeries, lawsuits, and parental outcry followed. Despite manufacturers adding warning labels, the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission stepped in. and Amazon removed many listings. It's a classic case of a toy that wasn't a toy and a safety risk disguised as a novelty. Cell phone unlocking devices. These gadgets were once hot among tech tinkerers. They could bypass a phone's lock screen, unlock carrier restrictions, and even jailbreak operating systems. Some looked like USB sticks, while others were full-on hacking terminals. While marketed for recovery or developer use, they quickly caught the attention of scammers and data thieves. The moment Amazon realized these tools were being used to bypass security or access stolen phones, they pulled the plug. It's one thing to reset your own device. It's another to crack open someone else's. Streaming media players. These looked like innocent little streaming boxes, usually running Android, preloaded with free movies, sports, and premium channels. But behind the scenes, they were pirating content using shady IPTV services and illegal software. For a while, they were everywhere on Amazon, often sold under names like Fully Loaded Media Player or Unlocked Fire Stick. But as lawsuits from content owners piled up, Amazon started aggressively banning sellers and devices promoting pirated streams. E-cigarettes and vapes. Once a booming category on Amazon, vape pens, e-cigarettes, and related accessories disappeared almost overnight. Why? Regulatory chaos, health concerns, and age restriction enforcement. After a wave of lung injury cases, underage usage spikes, and new federal guidelines, Amazon banned the sale of all vaping products across its platform. No exceptions. Whether it was flavored cartridges, refillable tanks, or e-liquid, if it had anything to do with vaping, it was gone. Public health came first, and Amazon didn't want to play middleman to the controversy. And there you have it, Amazon had to ban. If you enjoyed this deep dive into banned tech, make sure to hit like, share with your fellow gadget lovers, and subscribe to Tronify Tech for more wild. Links to the rest of our featured gear, legal and available, are down in the description.